Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, my Technojohn. And in today's video I'm going to show you how we can enable registration button in WordPress. On this channel I post videos related to WordPress and tips and tricks related to WordPress or website development, so you can subscribe this channel. And today I'm going to show you how we can enable registration button in WordPress website. By default, registration button is disabled in WordPress. So today I'm going to show you how we can enable this. So first of all, we go to setting, and you can click on journal button, or directly when you click on setting you can redirect to this page. Here you can see that membership area. Here you can see anyone can register. This tick box is disabled right now, so we need to enable it, or we need to tick this button and click save changes. So here I open the default page of the WordPress login. So here you can see there is no registration button, so I enabled it. So let's refresh this page. Now you can see here is the registration button is enabled. So if someone want to register on website, then he will click here, and after clicking this, let's see what happens. When we click this button, here you can see user will redirect to registration page. Here user will add their username and email address. After that, user will click here on the registration button, and email will be sent to this email address which you entered here. You will get an email, and further process you can proceed from there. So this is the simple process. Friends, if you like the video, you can hit the like button, and if you have any question or any query, you can comment below. And if you want more videos like this related to WordPress and web development and other technology related tips and tricks, then you can subscribe this channel. And thank you guys.